There is fire on the mountain. We say comedian as well. Nana Jantuah, Afenyo Markins, the minority leader, Bemaba or Sahene, Wabekasa, together with most of the journalists, Omu blàst John Mahama, any in this government, and for how I say, Omu fairly Ghanaians, even their own policies, they can't implement it. Nana Jantuah Eko Kwapai, what you like, Wabe blasting part, Wabe Boja, Ankasa. Mohano ask me who's, Matome Boase, I just start born up people. No, my boat to what I say. No, you do. I want to see it. No, I tell you, I did a mammy. Our comment section. I PENYAH broke me. That's what I said. Need demo. Over like if you don't have my brother's car button, so I click verification and connect latest update. I bet you the why that mammy. Our comment section. Obasoa. Not your first on your biashe. Yeah, quite 2024 elections. Nimono campaign messages. Promises I demand Ghana for the day. It will have me tear. Me and with mission was a. And in some go football, come you know more kind pan. Omu betimi aye. Omu betimi aye. But Ghana vangasa ya dream sabi ya dream o mreka kra because obetimi jina onimu sheb what say. Me the one year ebesi stadium regions na ya creative for no. Ya chichemu no 6 regions no. Me the one year ebesi stadium ama region ba ku bia na watiwe ya se. Me ba 4 years no. Messi International Airport ewo ha Messi bu ha region bia benya ultra modern and multi-purpose regional hospital now way ato 4 years Ghana vangasi adwuma omre eti mpanifo ne boy adwum dia adwunu hu dia agrota free adwunu hu sa na no NDC party no omu flagship policy omre to Ghana for him 24-hour economy emu ga so mo ba enyuma de ebebu emebeka kama hama kwa akofa clock bi
This is the 24-hour economic clock. One, three. 1 job, 3 shifts, 3 people. Obiabe Didi. Ezu.
But this will be kind of comment section on the clock na yela. Clock na Mahama be see what say. We na 24-hour economic clock no. Yeah, we are clock na dey clash. E ka ba o just amo compare clock na ba just somebody I forget it. There is nothing like 24-hour economy because clock na Mahama be so. E dey 24-hour economy no. Ayila.
This is the 24-hour economic clock.
Obia from where we are clocking up. That's it. Was it? Wait. Eh, I mean, you video that I'm going. What is it? I will now with three. Hey. You know, 24-hour economy clock. Mahama is you are. Hey, campaign. So when the 24-hour economy clock, you know, 133 clock, you know, any everyone that's Ghana for. And the Ghana for you know, Mahama Mujidi. Echo to a bunny boom at the man. Say Mahama ba 133 Formula 133. Edwin Bako Nipa Miensa. You be 3 shift. You be bumu and prensa dako. We ko 8 hours no upon. Ena mukra no sami da fi ko pie onu TV ekọ kan sem wi e wo ho no mo
break yebema DVL ya adwuma 24/7 the same for pos enti ya titi be ko adwuma no pa no wotwe 8 hours ebebo no 9 anwumre no wapon na Captain Smart akọ no 9 akosi 12 am 8 hours Captain Smart airport na sami da fi ko 12 am ebisi anopa 8 am enti se we nya adwuma no pa ma ne ha because na do betuma nya adwuma we nya adwuma nwumra ma ne ha because ahomache betuma nya adwuma. That is what happens abroad.
There's a boss de bebre na ba ye be we amamo ye be we kuma wood stars no ye be mamu we ye ba ye be we amamo he kokwa akuafo mu afuo bia no ye betu abura wo amamo na enso ento a mu dia irrigation mu dia water just say And someone Mahama in this government kind of opposition, no. Enya easy, kwekwe for the bar, ye be mu health insurance, mo yale ye be mu free, mama ye be mu free, ye be mama nyina school ama mo e ba ye kwekwe bo no ya sa beti zu hum. Amo toku no. 2005 is better than 3000. Eh, ya yu mobu. Ya yu mobu. Ade. Humabo. Na ino so hwe said ya memory so kona enkrata mu bibia ye fine. Uhe buku mu a ye say inflation rate abafom. Bibia ye fine won krata mu. Ba ukwa adwaman so enya sa nete. Enema bo din wodwom no nya de enya de ketoa. Kumasi to Accra hey 1.5 ebo ne koda se be kosoro. Kumasi to Accra na ye 90 series 80 series no. Enne 2026 Kumasi to Accra 1.5 150 cedis VIP 150 cedis minam kwano so da bia 150 cedis enya easy but okay yes say prr kwenkwe dende sa ye ma onka eno ana na Jantuah Afenyo Markins ene some of the journalists abe clash John Mahama ene this government na we ene nsemu a omo eka
e come di nipa but okay no aka ni sa press nkokon kete press 24-hour economy press sa ye be yo me say 400 prophets no bia be ka che say wo ya ade but ye ha makaya ka so ko obewu be bia wo kono wo be to amene mo Ghana for na ma 1.7 million no eso ti o President John Mahama Ghana for na eto aba ma wo no eso ti na emre bi me catch MPP for 2018 time me hu say MPP problem over so make an 2018 etro mu de besi 2020 I'm telling you President Joma o dey market on the wall me say 2028 city na moji bebrebe no eso bete NDC eso bete na so tia e chese wa ban e kofom ene se ye tia sikroma omo meka o ya ade ne nasefo no but unnim de nkrofo kan mu kan kire wo yenka se wonya ade ye wonyoma bebre ho a wa ya ade cement ne iron rods ne nyoma bi wo ho a but the same thing na ne expert say ni kwan say esi no enu bi na esi e na nkrofo ne ka kire se wa ya ade omo ne o meka fu o obia be ka se wa ya ade because obia per position and anything you do level a somebody or ye technocrat somebody or ye professional somebody a medical doctor not somebody oh no onye medical doctor because of a minister or ye minister nti ohun potekutie ohun pocha cha say kamfo no ka kire ni say o jai mano ni nimdie mu no ankasa mfaso nye that's a true level even yen akrate for mako school muntimi nkanche politicians say omuni nyansa nchen yen. Until we assume said the moment that somebody becomes a president, the obeke biya ye. Ye assume say the moment obeye minister no na onu minister se bi okra na mo na mo kire na de no na onu be kire wo say onim de kire just because when you have position no. There be o. Tina me say ye kamfu di ano ne ye kamfu achacha. President John Mahama me si utrimu ye ode. But do the mankrofo kamfu sa ma utrimu nya wo de sa mankrofo atwa wo hye ye ka bibia no mu didi atem sa no problem de bia maka che say wan kan me nsu abekan masere and MPP for o kan se ma afi no mo hope o kan na nanka etiewa ade nti na wo se duru ho na mo kasa na nanka etiewa onkrofo tu galamsey wonya we President John Mahama wonya we so onkrofo tu galamsey Onya we say ministries ni bi o hwan nyoma bi o homu ye ni sedan kwe onte say adwuma ni system ni mu onte President John Mahama onte say adwuma ni system ni mu 24-hour economy ni say ekosen no onte dia no waka fa ho e fa flooding no dia no waka wo minister for works and housing wada so tete e dia be pa no aya wutua nika but all these people are there Unko no akotwa ahumem me so ye president ye be duodum na a strike na reality ni setina wo dia ye ne sa after 2026 President John Mahama papa Udi ye say ya na after 2026 Ghana for nya wie pa. Ni 2027 now. Obeka say nya Ghana for ne toma no. With the market on the one me say. Udi ye say ya ni dada Prince Mahama is a hope. Mahama ye adwuma mafu soldiers ne nguso ankamfo. Mankrofo nya se wo ye adwuma me say ma ye wie 2026. Na ye wie 2027 pa. Obeti because abre no na ye politics. Sa abre no obi power too. Sa abre no na ase edu nketia ni Julius ne Professor Alabi mu ni na busiafo. O ma hyase na no obonsa afei o tumi na hyase tekofom. Na tekofom a afei na nkofo bebusa se adwuma na aka so de be ma ye wehe. Enyoma na wo ka se wo be ye no e wehe. Over 14.1 million people nkofo mabuna omunye adwuma anye no. Oh yeah, yeah, dang. Oba Ghana ha. Just say ye to boss shots. Aha, Ghana ha. Impenifo do na ye twa ya samomu boss shots. Nyina singlet kura no. Ye ka say singlet no. Ah, singlet no. Ye sa to ama. Inti president unya hwie o. Wo de ane say sorry da na dwene Ghana ho. Da na dwene de betimi abo Ghana na ye din. Unya hwie. Wo de ane say sorry na dwene. Then appoint people who are credible. E maybe Jethro. Eye Moses Nasil. O share o si Moses. Enyoma wo ye do so dodo. Moses me ye ne den. O say, bra, appoint people who are competent. Appointing krofo a omu kanokre. Omu metimi ye adwuma. Na fo omu sisi dwuma ko na no. No mu nya adwuma ne ye mawo. Aha de ye de nkrofo kosia no ni adwuma ne ye but yesi wa bre ne ye de akoma no yesi o ye minister yesi o ye CEO ye nyina anim so ntimi nya de but yesi wa bre party ne hunti ne ye de ama no no a mess up no a sign yoma afei na ne ye ba besesa no na ye too late. We know the systemic problems. Ye share adwuma de yesi yaka housing panyi be na aka housing ho asema kire mibuza
abanko de bia ne egu adwani fo adwuma de bia ne egu adwani fo adwuma
that na sanja nanja na o complain.
Yes ko no ko di loan e wo banka interest rate above from ba di agora ba baje oniema
so ntua ye ntɔhwe no
tumi ko tua
scan here.
That is the reality on the ground. And you people say what's more dan ko ke na man for buo from say to force economic management no e wo paper so e fair but in reality ante sa ona se bia woni dwom ko po bia wo dwom na bisa no no ko dwom atone ma wo sa no sa so na akofie sika ye de betone ma no ya be sell you free market ni mu ko. What kind of economic management is this? And then bia meka ye for do etim enye ato force a person ko da Ghana nya se get inflation
Wa ba
under Dr. Kwabredo fo ye maintain ne chaye na sika okrom didi dwa
and osafo mafo ye nya single day
na sika okrom ye didi dwa
osafo
mafo force nko ba na say ye nya single digit inflation sika ni krom. What kind of economic management and ato force do my Ghana enemu no President Mahama my Ghana phone sampa ko trefie no what sua bibi de free omembo. Let's feel it. It shouldn't just be on paper. And man yes sir. Ye be catch no. Ye fa 10 years ye fa ka century. Be can say the cemetery that so be babadi. At this sense who no. The economic management that to force the manage Ghana economy there.
Adabraka.
I'm here to see that theory.
Adabraka.
And what thing? And ko ye
we
sikeni krom man pani. Sikeni krom. But say any under ato force in Ghana any single digit inflation. Under Dr. Kwabredo for ye nya sustaining the chair still na sika okrom. Under the late Professor Jennifer Satamios. Na sika okrom edidie. And then the ministries kekem no say ato force nye release. And when we so hu we here ato force the deputy
ampem
that here or agric minister. Okay, so release can be agreement. Hey, but I can't remember the call.
You wait, you know. Yeah, mama.
Most ministers almost come. You read out to force and release car. Now, hey, we release it, and then I will be a quite. O man is here penny. O man is here penny. Omanya ye to celebrate the tax for Abaji ni nyina sako. Ya antus we ato nkane abu. To akatwa de to bu best 10% no. Ya to nkane abu be 24%. Atwem ni nyina de ko. Ti wo to akatwa me ye den. Enso de mayo.
Dabi.
Kasent ya de bo mayo. And I said, "Force ni pabone 70. Yes, I am pretty moment ko ya. O fa de yesu kwam.
Ai be su kwam mo.
Na na bi oso ko na oso waja na okọ no. No asa no asa loading. Joseph ya no asa.
Ye first saying. Ama efi amasa man ko kaso a. Se kwan ne nye. Enti drivers no. Omoje 10 cedis, 20 cedis, 50 cedis. Enya sa wontimi nko.
Tale. Ade. Am for test so man pani. Man for test so. Me see the economy looks good on paper. It is super. Some year the map for they are fine.
I be senior that cry.
Ghana for your bottom line there. His Excellency. The 3% inflation is not reflecting in our pocket. It's not. Who be another? If you are baby on your dear, oh say you then yamia say. But majority of Ghanaians are suffering. There be a catch me, catch us in the name of one.
Goodness.
Na me your truth for na me can correct. Se jam catch nema bo mafuma na me otrofo ba no kro me se nema bo aba form no ye ntolesa when this 4-year campaign was about youth unemployment say the 24-hour economy ba 133 18 months nie 18 months nie
133 for me
obi aka wasem because ko was ma and this ni be do atem we are not some reference and because so many way o mtimi ye moka na pipi ye ni ya ma bai and because so what me here can go far by.
Oh, but 133 na
18 months. 18 months. Ghana be bring nya gidi ni awesebu ni akoto so to aba and ma NDC because of 133 18 months so that so tifie.
Eba formation na ache.
Me can want some time penny because we be attempt nobody at match. Unya more data.
Eba so Owura Guzita na say e be create 1.8 million jobs. 133 formation is na oka. Owura Guzita no 24-hour economy no. Or see a buy a juma a big critic. Oh, the issue is that Oba be kasem na no akako. So be any engine for this.
Oh, the private sector is the engine of growth. No government has been deliberate since 1992 to be payment to build the private sector. And the problem is the private sector. I said the man sorry.
Kwesi.
Oh my team, you ton. As I see be a business, you good companies are near corporate of no better. Near quite a couple person on the we are sick.
Question. Private sector now man crop for adwuma
no. Yare.
You wouldn't say you opposition, you wouldn't say or party be to bar. Near good adwuma. Or man party force here adwuma company.
Or manage yo. Your company for the dia chrono. Or manage ya. E maburu so me nyame so bani so e be kakra kra. Maburu so adwumu e don kakra kra ba. It means because political rhetorics. Kasade and made it to me for a month for them. 18 months. Tell us what's the 133. Tell us what's the 133.
One number, I can't 33 no. One number.
What are the jobs they say create Ghana Mabuno no? And what if na Ghana Mabuno nya dwuma nye ye tomemu so lo to twaso. Bet to twaso and ye so because ye three creating ma. We are failed. Ye count on me account. The Cassas will say, betting Yadio say, yet you regulated the year pa, but that's say you ding. When you dreading your phobia now, so no, you're the scapucha betting, they don't tell you. And the Coton Coche stores the broke one, we didn't want my store from a woman tea store, I don't know. What's the near Betty bet? No, this is a car or 24 bistro and only bet.
Government so far has not been able to implement its own flagship program, One Job, 3 Shifts. The women banking policy is still in the works. They've not been able to implement it. Government has refused to spend, to invest in agriculture. Mr. Speaker, the Agri Ministry and the Finance Ministry are at war. Mr. Speaker, whereas one ministry is saying funds have been released, the other ministry says that no. This government is focusing more on this gold for reserve policy by encouraging Galamsey than to invest in agriculture. That is one failure. And Mr. Speaker, The same government told us that the presidential jet could not be used. Mr. President, on his last trip, flew Emirates to Dubai. From Dubai, flew Emirates to the United Kingdom. Then returned from the UK to Dubai with the presidential jet that they say it cannot work. It cannot fly. Mr. Speaker, then from there to Belarus. Then the same presidential jet from Belarus to Accra. Who are you deceiving? A government of inconsistency. A government without clear path to economic growth. Mr. Speaker, this government said that it was cancelling 1D1F. In its place, there is no policy alternative. What is the policy alternative to incentivize the private sector? This government is doing nothing to support economic growth through private sector participation. We want to challenge this government. If you claim that your economic policies are prudent and that there is economic growth, the question, how many businesses, how many factories, how many jobs have you created? Rather, your records have it that you have rather dismissed those who were in the employ of the state. Thousands of jobs have been lost since you took over. At the deputy majority leader's establishment, where he is the board chairman, almost 1,000 youths who were employed at GRA were fired. We are aware. Maritime Authority, Ghana Gas, Ghana Port and Harbors, even teachers who have qualified and to be recruited, you can't recruit them. It is another fight between Finance Ministry and Education Ministry. You are fighting your government, Mr. Speaker. This government is not in control of its own departments and agencies. The president perhaps is in his lame duck months. Just 1.5 years, you've lost control of the ship. The question, how many businesses, how many factories, how many jobs have you created? Rather, your records have it that you have rather dismissed those who were in the employ of the state. Thousands of jobs have been lost since you took over. Just 1.5 years, you've lost control of the ship. Mr. Speaker, Gold Board, the level of mismanagement, the level of corruption at the Gold Board. How come you buy gold at a discount and sell at a market price? When the minority sounded the alarm bell, they said that we were just doing politics. Now, when we raised it in December, they quickly organized an emergency joint board meeting between BOG and the Gold Board and reduced the fees from 15% to 9%. When the minority raised the motion on this House floor, with the majority using numbers to defeat it, they now again reduce it to 5%. Then now they say they want to cover it with a budget. Mr. Speaker, this government must account for all the losses. The IMF is estimating that we have almost about 9 billion in losses as a result of these Gold Board transactions with BOG. Mr. Speaker, so far, we know that this government has failed the people of Ghana. A government that cannot take care of it 189 cannot claim that it can take care of the entire country. We are not talking about ourselves. We know when you share, you won't give us. But even your own side, you are hungry. And when you get up, you say you want to bring Asedun Katia, you want to bring Julia Dabra, you want to bring Eriko Poku. Mr. Speaker, this government has lost control.
Ubet wachira waju edi amame. Ewa comment section. Ahi PENYAH Media. Accra.